I hang on to Android phones due to their customization. The fact that I can install any application and do almost whatever I want within reason is super fun. And I like the freedom of exploring different customization apps and features to tailor my experience based on the device. For instance, the apps I use to customize my experience on the Pixel 7 are different from the ones I use on the Galaxy S23 or OnePlus 11. One such app I've been using a lot lately is Samsung's Goodlock. It's a treasure trove of customization tools that allow you to tweak almost every facet of the interface, including but not limited to the lock screen, notification shade, menu items, and more. You can easily install a bunch of modules to tweak your experience, but the ones below are some of my favorites. So download the app and get ready to install a bunch of fun stuff to improve your Samsung phone. One-hand operation, use gestures like a pro. Gesture navigation has changed the way we interact with phones for the better, but you can take it a step further on Samsung phones with Goodlock's one-hand operation. It's perfect for those who want to improve their one-handed user experience. It extends the gesture controls to both sides of your screen, and you can also add up to 3 different actions on each side. It may sound a bit overwhelming at first, but it's hard to go back to regular navigation on Android once you get a hang of it. I recommend assigning the same set of actions on both sides to get used to the module. A simple straight swipe can act as the back key, while swiping up and down diagonally can open the recent app menu and the notification panel respectively. You can also customize the width and the position of the handle for gestures, or assign long swipe actions if you want more options. The handles automatically move above the keyboard, so they don't interfere with typing, and gestures also show a smooth animation, letting you know which action you're triggering. Keys Cafe, customize your typing experience. Keys Cafe is a Goodlock module that allows users to create and save multiple keyboards and switch between them. It allows users to change the size and color of their keys, tweak sublegends, and add macros and shortcuts. The best thing about this module is that users can create a custom digital keyboard with a layout and color of the physical one on their desk. However, users must use the Samsung keyboard to use this module, which is not a bad thing. Nice Shot. Get useful screenshots and screen recording features. Nice Shot is a useful module that adds basic tools to take screenshots. It fixes the issue of having to pull down the notification shade to delete a screenshot by adding a delete button to the toolbar. Additionally, you can disable the crop snapping feature or automatically enable Do Not Disturb during screen recording. Nice Shot doesn't have a ton of options like other modules, but it's still very handy, giving access to basic features that are missing on Android. QuickStar. Bring back the system UI tuner. QuickStar is a useful tool used to customize and hide icons from the status bar. It can be used to hide notifications and alarm icons, and to force the status clock to show up on the right side instead of the left. It can also be used to customize or create your own quick panel, which is not for everyone, but it is nice to have customization options. Registar, Pixel's backtap action on Galaxy phones. Backtap actions are a feature that allows users to double-tap the back of their phone to perform an action. This feature is missing on the Galaxy S23, but can be added using the Registar module on Goodlock. Registar allows users to assign one of many actions, including taking a screenshot, accessing Google Assistant, and more. Additionally, users can customize their settings home by rearrange items based on their preference. Endlessly customizable Goodlock. Goodlock is a great app that allows users to personalize and improve their user experience. It has a lot of modules, such as Pentastic, Wonderland, and Notistar. However, there is no native option to share modules and settings with other Samsung phones. There is a module in the works to allow users to share the config, but it is not yet available to all users.